Guess what your subconscious mind gonna do? That's right. Carry out the instructions given to it and believe.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. What is your conscious mind doing? Your magic is based all on your subconscious mind, period. Everything you are trying to do in these rituals, mantras, healing work, chakra balancing, etc. is impacting the subconscious mind. In order to get your subconscious mind to accept your intention, your conscious mind must agree with it. You must make it an undoubtedly fact that it's real and true to you. No wavering, no faltering. Live in that intention. If I say I'm a millionaire and I want my subconscious mind to pick up on it, well then, I must make my conscious mind know that truth. I can't do a ritual to be a millionaire and then the next sentence out my mouth when talking to my homeboy is, I can't go out tonight. I'm broke. A better statement would be, can't do it tonight. I'm flying out to Tokyo in the morning. Fake it till you make it. Fake it till you make it. Fake it till you make it. And not saying fake, but really be that intention. Act like it's happening now. It's here, right now. Put your conscious mind on the being principle that you are. Your subconscious mind does exactly as it is programmed to do by your conscious mind. Go get the books, The Magician by Philip Cooper, Basic Magic by Philip Cooper, Hidden Powers by James Van Fleet, and the many and many subconscious mind books you can find. Remember, your subconscious mind knows all and remembers all, and is neutral to whatever you place into it. There's no moral swing to your subconscious mind. It just carries out the instructions given to it by your conscious mind. If you still believe in negative thought forms that come to you and you're letting your conscious mind agree with that thought, well, guess what your subconscious mind is going to do? That's right. Carry out the instructions given to it and believe. Look at Donald Trump. When he won the presidency, I'm winning. The polls show me winning. I am the president. I love the example in the book Hidden Powers by James Van Fleet. What you plant in your garden will sprout up. If you plant tomato seeds, you'll grow tomatoes. If you plant sunflowers, you'll get sunflowers. If you plant weed in your garden, you best believe someone's going to get high sooner or later. The soil is the subconscious mind. The seeds are the conscious mind. If you plant negative, low vibrational thoughts into your subconscious mind and believe it to be true, well, your subconscious mind has no choice but to carry out that intention. Your subconscious mind is showing you your reality right now. Your reality is a direct reflection of what your subconscious mind is responding to.
Message!
Get your conscious mind in check and make sure you're living out your reality with the intention you want to carry out. Tell the world what you are. Be confident in your newfound reality. Scream that shit to the world. I am a prosperous, successful porn star. Let's say you're looking for love. Here's a ritual. Put out a plate for your mate. Talk to him at the dinner table. Jam slow jams with him grooving. Write him love letters about how great he treats you and how wonderful of a guy he is. Do this ritual for at least 11 days straight. Have green candles lit all over your place while you're at home for this ritual. Make your conscious mind know that this is your reality and your man is here in your life. Use your imagination to put it in the astral. You are in control. You are in control. So take control. Make up your mind and be who you want to be. Beat your conscious mind up until it's true. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Dream wise. I am a prosperous, successful porn star.